What's going on, guys? 3:40 in the morning. That's what you get if you subscribe to my channel. I make videos before everybody else. And in today's video, we're going to talk about Dogecoin and my outlook on Dogecoin. If you've been a part of the channel, you know we have talked about Dogecoin pretty much every single day, right? If not every day, every other day for the last several months. I've told you guys when we bought, we have obviously a Discord. We've been buying it up under 10 cents, 11 cents, 12 cents. Most of the members average, I've been asking them, is under 12 cents for Dogecoin, which is pretty amazing because Dogecoin is now at 38 cents, 38 and a half cents. So I'm going to break down exactly what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame for Dogecoin and really what I believe can happen next. But before we do that, this is a big deal, guys. This came out yesterday, November 12th, from President Donald Trump. I'm going to read it over. I am pleased to announce that the great Elon Musk, working in conjunction with American patriot, this guy, will lead the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge. I just find that very interesting. Okay. Together, these two wonderful Americans will pave the way for my administration to dismantle government bureaucracy / excess regulations, cut waste expenditures, and restructure federal agencies. So it looks like they're coming in to assist basically Donald Trump and the government, but they aren't the government is what it seems like. Okay. Save America movement. This will send shockwaves through the system and anyone involved in government waste, which is a lot of people, stated Mr. Musk. It will become potentially the Manhattan Project of our time. Republican politicians have dreamed about the objectives of Dogecoin for it's not Dogecoin, but I find it hilarious and very real at the same time that this, and Elon Musk talks about Doge all the time. So it's very interesting. To drive this kind of drastic change, the Department of Government Efficiency will provide advice and guidance from outside of the government and will partner with the White House. So they're going to partner with the White House. They're going to work alongside of them to drive large-scale structural reform and create an entrepreneurial approach to government never seen before. Awesome. I love it. So I think I'm excited. I think most of you are excited. Like Donald Trump became president. He won the election. All your stocks went through the roof. Crypto went through the roof. Dogecoin was at 11, 12 cents before the election, and now it's at 38 cents. So let me know your thoughts out down below. Leave a comment. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think this is positive for Dogecoin, the crypto? Okay, so now with Dogecoin, the crypto, I really want to talk just about maybe a couple things and want to break down the stochastic real quick. So we're going to go all the way back in time. We're going to go back to the last massive pump back in like 2019 and 2020. So with the stochastic, guys, on a weekly time frame, and this is really what I teach. We talk a lot about a lot of other stuff also, and I give buy levels and buy alerts, which I'll share with you in a second. But when the stochastic, the blue line is over the red, it's very bullish. We're all aware of that, right? So you can see blue line over red, bullish. Dogecoin goes up. I'll even paint the picture more clear for you. If we go back here, when the stochastic was bottoming out, Dogecoin was under the 21 EMA trading at 5-6 cents. Then it crossed over and it started to climb every week, and it climbed all the way to 10 cents. So you doubled your money in about a month and a half. Slow movements, but consistent growth. Absolutely amazing. Then what happened? The blue line went under the red line, okay, which is a lagger, basically. It means you probably have a couple more weeks until the top, right? So it crossed down. Doesn't mean sell right now, but it means in the next couple of weeks, it's going to top out. And then what happens? Dogecoin went from 10, 11 cents all the way down to 7 cents. Okay. That's a pretty big move. That will scare a lot of people, especially if you bought here. Now, again, the stochastic came down, it bottomed out. It crossed over blue to red, got back above the 21 EMA. What happened? This was the last run that we all took advantage of. So I have posts on the Patreon saying to buy under 9 cents, buy at 8 cents. Like we've been in Dogecoin for a minute, right? And then this ran up. What happened again? So we look at the stochastic. Again, it's really good to study the weekly time frame. In my opinion, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do what's best for you and your family. But once we touch the red line, it doesn't mean that it's time to sell, even though you wick down. So guys, if we wick down, let's say we're way up here, And let's say next week, after this week on Sunday, we're going to see what the stochastic does on Sunday. We know if it curls down, we really only have about another week or so. Okay, and we're going to look at the last one also in today's video. So once it curls down and it crosses, you have 1, 2 weeks left, 3 weeks at most. And then it just topples over, okay? This one ran from 23 cents all the way down to 8 cents. And we've all been experiencing that, right? We've been making videos, we've been buying it up, we've been buying the dip, and then we all made a ton of money if you were buying down here, and even if you were dollar cost averaging into Dogecoin, because we knew what was going to happen next, right? Because we've studied all the indicators I talk about on this channel. So where are we at today? Well, guys, right now we're touching the red line. Okay, do y'all see that? So we're touching the red line on the stochastic. We have not broken it down yet. Okay, so technically, if you're just looking at the stochastic, it's not really time to sell. Now, I did sell some. I did take profit because that's just my strategy. So for everyone leaving comments saying I'm going to regret this, blah, blah, blah. No, I'm not. Okay, because I have other cryptos that I'm looking at. And my whole goal, guys, is to double. If I can double my investment, then that's a win. And with Dogecoin, I've already more than doubled because my average was under 12 cents for Dogecoin. And then I started selling little bits from 31 cents all the way to 39 cents. I still hold 60% of my Dogecoin. Okay. Why do I hold 60%? Because I do believe it's going to go higher. But I also have cash on the side that I'm deploying into other cryptos that I've told people about. By the way, I made a post on September 30th about Sui crypto. I said, this is looking pretty bullish. It was currently at 174. I said, if we close above 183, it's going to be even better. Okay. My price target is 323. Sui today is at 319. It hit highs of like 330. Okay. So if you took that trade, congrats, you're up almost 100% in a matter of less than 2 months. You can't beat that, guys, right? So we just alerted the Patreon of another crypto that I think will easily double very soon. And my strategy is very simple, and this is what I teach. For as little as $10 a month, I mean, that gives you access to the Discord where you get to be a part of our community. If you want access to stocks, it's $12 a month. And then if you want all my crypto buy alerts and you want to start to learn what I'm seeing, it's $14.99 per month. So basically $15 a month. Congrats to the 2 people that signed up last night while I was asleep. You're about to be blessed. Okay. So looking at Dogecoin, you tell me what you think is happening next. My guess is we could pump a little more. Okay. I think we could get maybe up to about 50 cents. And then I think we'll have some resistance. And guys, again, don't be shocked if we wick way lower. If we wick down, then I think there's going to be even a bigger run. I don't think this is the monster run like we were all aware of back in the day. If you're looking on a monthly time frame, you see this move right here, right? I mean, I think this is kind of where we're at right now. Okay. And another interesting thing is the stochastic now is not even at high points on a monthly time frame. Okay. So we are touching the yellow Keltner line, which is concerning that we could pull back soon. But in the long run, guys, I don't think Dogecoin's top is in. I think there's a lot more opportunities for it to move higher. But also, you have to manage your risk because we could pull back down. And we could pull back down to the old resistance being 23, 24 cents. Now, if that happens, I'll be buying the dip. Okay. I'll make more videos on that, like technical analysis, when that does happen, when the top is actually in. But right now, the top isn't in. It's looking like we could still push higher. The next area I'm really looking for is the 618 level, which is about 48 to 49 cents. Okay. There's going to be some resistance here with these 2 wicks. This is literally at 47 cents. And the 618 level is right above it, right at 50 cents. So I do think that will be heavy resistance. If you look on a daily time frame right now, the stochastic is touching on a daily. So again, once it curls over, we will dip, and we might dip even bigger. But the interesting thing is the RSI right now on a daily time frame is literally hitting points that it's hit before. We're at 92 right now. And every time we get up here, we sell off. Okay. So check this out. When we hit 90, the same exact spot we're at right now for the RSI, we were at 20 cents. Over the next 2 weeks, it sold off to 12 cents. Imagine that Dogecoin goes from 38 cents all the way down to like 20 something cents. That will scare a lot of people. But then what happened? Then it pumped again. So again, I don't think the run is over. There's no negative divergence or anything like that. But I'm just being realistic, and I have to use my strategy. That's why I locked in some gains, right? Still hold a bunch of Doge. We'll add more if it dips. I'm in some cash right now. I did buy a couple cryptos recently over the last couple of days that we're all talking about in the Discord. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful. Again, it's all my own opinion. Do your own research at the end of the day. And also let me know if you would like me to start making some XLM content. I like the coin. I've been adding into it for quite some time, for a couple months now. I was buying under 10 cents. I recently bought in more, right above 12 cents. So let me know if you would like me to start making videos on XLM. And with that, I hope you have a great day.